How to introduce yourself in English. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English learning channel. Today, we will learn how to introduce yourself in English. This lesson is for beginners. If you are new to English, this video is for you. Do not feel nervous. Do not feel shy. We will speak slowly. We will learn step by step. Let us begin. Part 1. What is self-introduction? Self-introduction means telling people about yourself. In English, we introduce ourselves when we meet someone new. For example, at school, at office, in an interview, in a new place. A good introduction is simple, clear, and polite. You do not need big words. Part 2. Starting your introduction. Now, let us start. First, say hello. Listen and repeat. Hello. Hi. Good morning. Good afternoon. Good evening. After greeting, you can smile. This makes your introduction friendly. Part 3. Saying your name. Now, say your name. Listen carefully. My name is Rahim. My name is Sarah. You can also say, I am Rahim. I am Sarah. Both are correct English. Now pause the video and say your name. Speak slowly. Part 4. Telling where you are from. Next, tell where you are from. Listen and repeat. I am from Bangladesh. I am from India. I am from Nepal. You can say your country or your city. Example, I am from Dhaka. I am from Delhi. This sentence is very important in international English. Part 5. Talking about study or your job. Now, talk about your study or your job. Listen. I am a student. I am a teacher. I am an office worker. I am a businessman. If you do not work, you can say, I am learning English. I am a beginner. Simple sentences are best. Part 6. Talking about your goal. Now you can talk about your goal. Listen carefully. I want to speak English fluently. I want to improve my English. I am learning English for my career. This makes your introduction more meaningful. Repeat slowly. Part 7. Full self-introduction. Now listen to a full introduction. Hello. My name is Rahim. I am from Bangladesh. I am a student. I am learning English. I want to speak English fluently. Nice to meet you. Thank you. This is a perfect beginner introduction. You can change the details but keep the structure. Part 8. Polite ending sentences. Now end politely. Listen. Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you too. Thank you. Thank you very much. Polite English creates a good impression. Repeat again. Part 9. Mirror practice. Now it is practice time. Stand in front of a mirror. Say slowly. Hello. My name is blank. I am from blank. I am a blank. I am learning English. I want to improve my English. Nice to meet you. Practice every day. Part 10. Motivation for beginners. Remember one thing. You do not need perfect English. You need clear English. Every confident speaker started as a beginner. Do not stop. Practice daily. You will speak English. Ending. Thank you for watching. This was How to Introduce Yourself in English. If you like this lesson, please like, share, and subscribe. See you in the next video. Keep learning English.